Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage, and beside me I have the all-new 2025 Yamaha R3, and in this video I'll be guiding you through the installation process of the Womet-Tech bar ends. These bar ends are meant to replace your stock bar ends and add in a touch of color with their provided accent rings. So whether you want to go with blue, silver, gold, red, or just black, they have different colored accent rings to pair with their bar ends to replace your stock ones. This is a very straightforward installation process. However, I would like to highlight the method in which Yamaha has mounted these bar ends can bring on a little frustration. Some bikes we've seen, you can just hold the bar end and break the bolt loose. Very easy to remove. Others, you need a clamping force like a set of pliers in order to grip onto the stock bar end and break the bolt loose. The bolt fastens into a weighted insert that spins with the bar ends. So as you can see here, I'm spinning the bar end. It is not coming loose. That is because the insert is spinning with it. So just nuances to keep in mind. If you install, or if you're looking at your bar ends and you're saying they're spinning, it's completely normal. Another thing to note is on the throttle side, when you're installing it, you want to make sure once you finalize the installation that you have free play on your throttle to open it fully and for it to roll back. Now, as I mentioned, this is a very straightforward installation process. You only need a 5mm hex key, Allen key, or T-handle. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and begin the install. So coming on over to the bike, I've done this install on this bike already, so I know that our bar ends will not be problematic. But again, you do want to get a nice grip on the bar end, on the stock bar end, whether that be with pliers or with your hands. You're going to hold the bar end and then break the bolt loose. And as you remove it, there will be some adhesive. They apply some silicone-based solvent that adheres to the inside and helps keep this in place. I'm going to spin the clip-ons a little bit so you can actually see the insert. And as you can see here, there's a cutout on the OEM bar end that coincides with this surface here. And even without the bolt, if we superimpose this onto the bar end and then spin it, you can actually see the insert does spin. So just something to note as you perform this installation and use the bar ends. We'll put the stock one to the side and grab the Womet-Tech bar end now. And out of the box, they will look like this. Depending on what color ring you get, you will have that in a separate pack. And what you will do is remove the delrin end cap and the bolt. Grab your accent color ring, and one side has a lip on it that will face and coincide with the lip on the bar end base. It will sit like that and lock into place, not allowing you to slide it any further inward. It mounts like this. If you put this ring on backwards, you will have a giant space and your bar end won't sit right. So please keep that in mind as you are performing this installation. There is only one correct way to have the bar end colored ring sit, and that is with the lip sitting on the lip on the base. Now we will grab the delrin end cap and the bolt again, grab our 5mm hex key, and these bar ends do not have a cutout on them, so you don't have to worry about lining that base up. They have a standoff to prevent your throttle from binding on the opposite side. And we're going to tighten this down as much as possible while holding the bar end at this point. And just like that, you have successfully installed your bar end on the clutch lever side. We can hop on over to the throttle side, repeat the steps, and finalize this installation. And there you have it. Just like that, this installation is now complete. We have successfully swapped out the OEM bar ends in favor of the Womet-Tech bar ends and added on a punch of blue that actually coincidentally matches this lighter blue in the R3 vinyl kit. So if you like these bar ends, you're ready to swap out your stock ones, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these bar ends can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to do so in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Of course, if you haven't already, we highly recommend hitting that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we have going out for the new R3 and many other models. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps let us know that we are delivering messages efficiently and effectively to the viewers. And of course, we always encourage stopping by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X, and Threads, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage. I thank you for watching, and we will catch you guys next time.